Hi guys, my name's Arnold. I'm going to be showing you today how to write some simple program that can make your Zumi drive around just by using your hands. So this is what it looks like. And I can use my fingers to move it around. So here's a program that can actually control Zumi in that video that you just saw. The first thing that we need for our program is to basically import some stuff in order to use the Zumi library. The next thing that consists of this code is a loop that's basically going to repeat 1,000 times. So it's going to check the sensors 1,000 times and then make decisions based on that information. So right here we have a for loop and we're doing it 1,000 times. We're just grabbing the IR sensor data, saving it into the appropriate variables. And then down here we have some values that we're going to set our motor speeds in case if we actually do detect something. And here's the main meat of the code. We have one portion that deals with just the back IR sensors. So if it does detect something in the back, we control the motors depending on which sensor is detecting it. And then we do the same for the front IR sensors. And if we don't see anything with any of the IR sensors, we just stop. And then once our loop is done, we just stop. And that's it. And if you want to try out the code, please check out the link in the description.